everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello. Amy's Creative Art. I don't know if some of you may have noticed that I've changed the name of my channel, so forgive me for just messing up there. It's been Amy's Creative Acrylics, but I'm kind of doing acrylic painting and resin work, so I just thought I would change it just a little bit to Amy's Creative Art. So that is my new name. That's the reason why I did that. Yeah, so it's going to take me a little bit to get used to saying Amy's Creative Art. Today I'm doing a pour. This is on a 16-inch round canvas, Artist Loft canvas. And I have Artist Loft Flow white on the base. I already put it down. I'm just going to torch really well so I don't have any of those little dots that I had last time. I think that's why I had those little polka dots come through, because I forgot to torch my base before I put on the other colors. So yeah, I did that. And so today I am going to use I'm going to use, let's see here. I'm using Artminds Onyx. I am using Artminds Metallic Gunmetal. And this was this Auntie's all-purpose metallic silver. This is really a pretty silver. So, and then obviously I'll have a little bit of white. I am going to do just lay down some colors in Shmear, and the color that I'm using for my Shmear color is Amsterdam's Titanium White. Alright, so let's get started here. So I'm going to start with the gunmetal. And I don't necessarily want any negative space. If I have a little bit white left on in there, that's totally fine as well. But so I kind of like how my last pour turned out with the blues. It was really, really pretty. So and then the light silver. Right, so let's see. All my paints are mixed. 1 part paint, 2 parts of Floetrol, a little bit of Liquitex Gloss Pouring medium, and then a little bit of water to get the consistency that I need. These pours, I like them to be a little bit on the thicker side. It kind of leaves, this one's a little bit thinner though. I think the black, but it's probably going to be kind of hard for you to see that, but it kind of leaves a mound on a mound, so it's a little bit thicker. For the most part, that's how I want them to be. That gunmetal is a little bit thinner. So yeah, but hopefully it'll still be all good. So I'm just putting my titanium white down on my palette knife, on the back of my palette knife here. Look at those cool cells already. And I do want to have some, like, of the colors without necessarily, I like a little bit of those left in there. That's just kind of my thing that I like to do. guess I don't necessarily need any more white, so back in there. And then let's see. All right, let's spin it and see what happens. I'm gonna kind of tilt it this way just a little bit. All right, here we go. I like this. It looks awesome. These cells and lacing are so beautiful. I really don't think I want to do too much more to it. I think when I put resin on this, this is going to be just gorgeous. So the only one that's metallic is the light silver and the gunmetal. The black is not a metallic. So I should get a lot of shimmer out of those. With the resin, like look at those cells. I think I'm gonna stop on this. I'll bring it down for a close-up. I really like how this turned out. All right, so I'll bring it down for a close-up here. Just look at those cells and that lacing. Those are like some really cool cells there. And those silver, that gunmetal, those are really cool with the white going in between them. It's really neat. Got some cool ones there. That lacing is really beautiful. You guys have to tell me what you think. Leave me something in the comments if you like this. I think I'm going to do a little bit of a series with black and white and silver. Maybe even with some resin. Because I'm really liking it. I will also post at the end of this video the clock that I made. The black and silver and white one. I will show you that clock at the end of this video. And I'll also show you the beach clock that I made as well. But I do thank everybody for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And you will like and subscribe and share, comment, all that fun jazzy jazz. I appreciate all of your support. I made it to 1,000 subscribers. Woo-hoo-hoo. Thank you guys all so much. I still need to get some watch hours in, so if you're still watching, thank you so much. I appreciate you helping me get those watch hours up. I hope everybody is being healthy and safe. And just have a good day. Have a good evening. And keep being creative. Bye-bye.